Let's hit it. Hello guys, Steve here, ShenRC. Have another product in from RADIOLINK. This is an ESC, the CL9030. This one's 90 amps and it has adjustable Beck voltage from 5.5 to 7.5 volts at 5 amps. It also could use up to 6 to 16.8 volts LiPo, NIM, lithium or acid battery. And this one could handle, it says 380 motors, 540 and 550s. And I just put a 550 in here, a 14 turn, you guys seen. So I'm going to install it in my Fire Dragon. And we're going to see how it does on the RPM tester, the RPM of the wheels. This is a great looking budget ESC. Let's open it up. The links for this are in my video description below. Let me get this elastic off here. I gotta take this XT connector off. I gotta put a Dean's plug on there because that's what I use on all my stuff, because I have so many cars I don't want to switch anymore. Looks really nice, and it has the 4 jumper slots there, so you could use this for crawlers, boats, I think like tanks and stuff also. And it has adjustments for the different modes, like racing mode with just forward or forward reverse, brake, forward reverse, like that and stuff. You use with the jumpers, and you set the LiPo mode for the battery you're using. On and off switch with a rubber seal. That's cool. Let's take a look at the instruction. Actually, the switch could be positioned on this right there, and it holds it in place, which is neat. Let's look at the instruction. I like this box they give you. It's awesome. A little plastic box with the foam protected really nice. Here's the jumpers. 4 little jumpers here. And you put them in to adjust stuff. Let's see the instructions here before we get into putting it into my Fire Dragon. This just shows you everything. This is, yep, this is the right side. The other side was a different language. Shows you everything in here, what it means, how to set it up. And let's see what it says here. Has overload protection. 7 milliohm resistance, and the drive frequency is the 2K hertz. Yep, 6 to 18 volts. When you get this, just keep this instruction booklet so you could set it up. You have to look at what it does here. All these jumpers here for the modes. I gotta set mine to forward, reverse, and brake. So I'll have that set up in the jumper spot when we put this in the Fire Dragon. Alright, check it out in the links below, guys. Looks pretty good. 90 amp continuous, so it's nice. Out with the old and with the new. Alrighty, I got my stick tape on. It's clear, as you can see. It's this stuff. Works the best. Love this stuff. So I'm going to put this, the only way I see it to be the best would be right there. Does this fit? That should be good enough. Hope it works. It's a close fit. I guess I'll have to put the wires tied up again, but I'm gonna leave them out like this for now. Ain't gonna go crazy. I'll just test it. Just pressed it on a bit. That's it. This will fit in here, I believe. Yeah. I'll do this later. I ain't gonna do it now. And then this. I'll wind that up and connect it. Right on. The black goes to the blue. And the red goes to the yellow. Then I'll have to put a new zip tie, but for now, we're gonna leave it like this and we're gonna do the test. That's it. Now we have to see how to set this up. Let me go get my radio, guys. All right, have my radio here. I believe you turn the ESC on, you floor it, you'll hear 2 beeps, then go in reverse, hold it, you'll hear 2 beeps, then let off neutral, then you'll hear more beeps. It'll be set. 1, 2. 1, 2. That should be it. Yep. Oops, still going. Alright. Alright guys, I got it all working. I had to reverse the wires and put the blue one onto the positive of the motor and the yellow one onto the negative to get it to work right. I also had to leave my throttle switch in the normal position, and I misread the manual. I didn't have a jumper in, only for the lithium in slot 3 to turn on LiPo cutoff. When you look in the manual here, it says with the 1 jumper in the number 1 slot, it does the forward and the reverse and then the brake. That's the normal running mode. So I got it all working now. We're just gonna do the RPM test on the wheel speed and see what it does. I got the reflective tape on. I got my radio. I got the meter here. Let's see how fast the wheels spin with the Kyosho 14 turn 550 motor with the ESC. Let's hit it. 2,819 RPM. So that's how fast it is with that motor and with the new ESC, but that don't mean nothing. We're gonna have to test it. I'll do a GPS test and we'll test out. I'll do another video when I do that. I'll be running the RADIOLINK ESC I just installed, and we'll see how this ESC works when I'm outside. And that'll be another video, guys, so stay tuned for the ESC test and we'll see how it works, see how it runs, and we'll see how fast this Fire Dragon is. Thanks RADIOLINK for sending this in. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it as always. If you're new watching, hit the bell so you don't miss anything, and subscribe, and I appreciate it. See you later, guys. ShenRC out.